Hello, we are here to check in for room 198.
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
You're welcome. Oh wait, I think I meant to say thank you.
Oh, the battery died. Wait, did I just hand those guys a free key?
Not technically wearing pants right now, but
Look at all the freaking pubes in this thing!
Those toenails? Oh!
That was a long day. But anyways, it's late. So let's get to bed. Tomorrow is a big day. Ooh, look at that sunset. Get to bed 16R. Okay. Stop jumping on the bed. Who the heck are you? Problem solved. Alright. Let's get some breakfast, and then we'll go. He won't pick up. Must be distracted by that dumb video game again. Did you notice I didn't even have to pay for our room key? Oh well, let's just go.
What is the Mega Thunderplex anyway?
It's a new mall operated by thunderbolt Entertainment. I've heard rumors that it was under the old pizzeria, which is accessible if you are a staff.
Wow. It looks so cool.
Alright, let's go. Look, there's the stage, where the glam rocks perform.
Cool. The power plant mall doesn't have that.
I guess that's true. Let's go to the prize counter first, before we go in any of these rooms.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and welcome to the Mega Thunderplex. What do you need today? We need a pass for Glamrock Fosbolt, Montgomery Whalen, and Glamrock KM 1200. That'll be $47.96. Okay, here's the pass.
Thank you.
Well, hello there, superstars. Would you like to see me?
Heck yeah.
Come.
Glamrock Fosbolt is annoying.
What was that?
Nothing. I was just talking about someone I knew from Milwaukee.
Oh, for sure. Anyway, here's a gift.
Holy crap, you nasty.
Oh, and it stinks too. What the frack?
Oh, this is what you get for messing with me. Duh. That was easy.
Okay, let's see Montgomery Whalen next. Sup? Hey. I just heard Glamrock Fuzzbolt jump out the window. Who caused this?
It was me. And you're next.
No. You are.
Oh my god.
Okay, I've taken care of that twisted.
Let's go see more of the thunderplex.
Sure.
Duh. That's weird. It says to our animatronics are offline. Oh well, we're almost closed anyways. We'll take care of it tomorrow.